Dan, this video make me wonder there's something wrong with a motorist. So this video shows some things that happened when a motorist was driving a motor vehicle on the wrong side of a road, my people. Look for yourself. Mrs. Danger. Mrs. Danger. Look at the type of road too. Look at the direction that person go while there were other vehicles going another type of direction. Danger. That's just wrong. Can you imagine? OMG. To each and every motorist, look out for anything like this. Look out for anything like this. And just in case, don't do anything like this.